Our modern world is a tapestry woven with facts, figures, data points. We have charted the deepest oceans, sent robotic eyes to the farthest reaches of the solar system. Satellites orbit in a constant, watchful gaze. Laboratories unlock the secrets of the atom. It is easy to assume the age of mystery is behind us. Yet, even on our familiar Earth, there are pockets of the unknown. Places that resist easy classification and defy our most sophisticated explanations. These locations still hold a profound, genuine mystery. Anomalies on the map become footnotes that bloom into volumes of questions, not just coordinates, but invitations to curiosity. Vast seas where vessels vanish, sun-scorched plains etched with aerial drawings, exceptions that test the rule, stories that refuse neat conclusions. Today, we embark to 4 persistently puzzling spots. From the Atlantic depths to Peru's arid plains, California's desert flats to Costa Rica's jungles, a countdown into the heart of an enigma. Our journey into the unknown begins now, as we count down 4 locations that elude complete scientific consensus, each a distinct category of mystery. First, a realm of natural forces and human tragedy. Second, a testament to ancient ingenuity, a vast outdoor gallery shrouded in time. Third, a subtle, almost imperceptible phenomenon that baffled observers. And last, artifacts so precise and monumental, they raise profound questions about vanished creators. We will situate ourselves geographically, strip away myth to focus on core anomalies, then trace each timeline of discovery and speculation. From first reports to public legend, context matters. Early accounts were colored by the tools and beliefs of their era. We approach not with sensationalism, but calm curiosity, using the wide shot, the drone's perspective, the close-up, to make each mystery tangible. Our countdown is a guided inquiry into the beautifully stubborn unknown. Our countdown begins in the Atlantic, the area colloquially known as the Bermuda Triangle. Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan form its corners. Estimates of its total area vary widely, from about 500,000 to over 1.5 million square miles, 1.3 to 3.9 million kilometers. A major corridor for cargo ships, private vessels and aircraft, one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes and flight corridors on Earth. Routine transits masking a formidable reputation, often cited as one of only 2 places where a compass points to true north rather than magnetic north. Along its eastern edge lies the Puerto Rico Trench, where the Milwaukee depth marks the Atlantic's deepest point, over 27,000 feet. Reports tell of vanishings, radios cut mid-sentence, and compasses behaving erratically. Ghost ships found adrift, crews gone. The region is known for sudden, violent storms and summer-autumn hurricanes, and the swift Gulf Stream can quickly disperse or erase wreckage. Flight 19, December 1945. 5 Navy Avenger bombers disappear. A Martin Mariner search plane vanishes soon after. In 1918, the USS Cyclops disappears, with over 300 aboard, issuing no SOS. Books and films amplified a paranormal narrative, blending fact and fiction, complicating the work of serious investigators. Statistically, the rate of disappearances here is no higher than in comparable ocean regions. Proposed causes range from turbulent weather to seafloor methane gas releases that could fatally reduce buoyancy. The task is to find the signal of truth within the noise of legend. Scientists propose Earth-based causes. One involves methane hydrates, frozen gas destabilizing to release buoyancy-killing plumes. A ship over a massive plume could lose support and sink with shocking speed. Rapidly forming hurricanes, violent currents, rogue waves, microbursts, even waterspouts, formidable hazards in a volatile ocean. Magnetic quirks, areas where true and magnetic north align, can mislead compasses if not accounted for. And the simplest factor, human error, mechanical failure, poor decisions, inevitable in a vast, heavily trafficked region. Yet no single theory fits every case. Many crews were seasoned veterans. The triangle remains a puzzle, leaving room for wonder and a touch of fear. We travel south to the bone-dry coastal plains of southern Peru, the Nazca Desert, an enigma preserved by aridity. From above, a gigantic canvas emerges, hundreds of geoglyphs sprawling across more than 190 square miles. Colossal animals and vast geometries, trapezoids, mile-long lines, intricate spirals, only fully legible from the sky, made by the Nazca between 100 BCE and 800 CE, by removing the dark oxidized stones to expose lighter earth beneath. Simple methods, sophisticated scale, coordinated work, and keen surveying preserved by windless, rainless climate for millennia. The enduring mystery is not how, but why. Figures so vast, their makers could never see them whole. With no written language, their message must be read from the earth itself. The lines survived nearly 2 millennia thanks to extreme aridity, under 1 inch of rain a year, and minimal wind that prevents erosion. They are negative images, dark surface stones scraped aside to reveal lighter subsoil, laid out with simple tools, ropes, wooden stakes, and careful planning. The network covers nearly 190 square miles, about 500 square kilometers, with straight lines stretching up to 30 miles. The biomorphs are vast, some nearly 370 meters, about 400 yards, among more than 70 distinct designs. Key figures include a hummingbird, spider, monkey, condor, pelican, and a many-legged creature. A hillside humanoid with large eyes, nicknamed the astronaut, is thought by archaeologists to depict a deity or shaman. These facts frame the debate: ritual, astronomy, water, likely a multifunctional landscape inviting continued wonder. In Death Valley, Racetrack Playa is an almost perfectly flat lakebed, a silent stage stretching for miles. Across its cracked surface, stones, from pebbles to boulders up to 700 pounds, leave long, distinct tracks as if sliding on their own. Straight lines, graceful curves, sudden zigzags, some tracks extend over 60 meters, yet for decades no one saw a rock move. Theories ranged from fierce winds to magnetism, even the paranormal. Geologists noted the stones are dolomite and syenite, tumbling from the Lost Burrow Formation onto the playa. Wind seemed likely but insufficient for heavy rocks. Many stones move multiple times and can change direction during a single event. The challenge was to catch them in the act. The answer would prove subtle, a delicate interplay later called ice shove, hiding in brief winter conditions. In 2013-2014, a team led by Ralph Lorenz and Richard Norris instrumented the playa, capturing movement known as ice shove when 3 to 6 millimeter ice forms on shallow temporary winter ponds. On a handful of cold days, cameras caught stones sliding at 2 to 6 meters per minute, about 0.2 of a mile per hour. Rare rains leave shallow water that freezes into thin, expansive ice sheets, trapping stones overnight on slick mud. At sunrise, the ice fractures into floating panels. Light winds push the panels, which gently nudge the rocks across the surface. Ice acts like a giant sail, yielding parallel tracks. Rocks often move multiple times and can change direction within the same event. Some details hint at thin water films beneath ice and shifting panels or winds, explaining curved paths and sudden turns. A scientific answer: ice, wind, water, fitting even massive 700-pound boulders with fine points still inviting study. In Costa Rica's Diquís Delta and Isla del Caño, over 300 mostly monolithic stone spheres appear, created by the pre-Columbian Diquís between 500 and 1500 CE, ranging from a few centimeters to over 2 meters, some near 15 tons. They were carved from igneous gabbro and granodiorite and from sandstones and limestones, natural boulders hammered with harder stones, then polished smooth with sand. Their exact purpose is unknown, yet many likely served as status symbols, marking approaches to elite residences and ceremonial spaces. Others suggest astronomical roles, alignments or cosmological models. Their near-perfect roundness, achieved without advanced tools, remains astonishing. Local Bribri lore calls them Tara's cannonballs, the thunder god's shots to drive away hurricane spirits. With no written language and devastation after the Spanish conquest, much context vanished. Still, the spheres signal complex pre-Columbian social and political systems. Monumental craft, mysterious intent, markers of status, possible sky markers, and enduring icons of the Dikis world. We began knowing our world is familiar, yet full of questions. These 4 places prove it. The Bermuda Triangle speaks to nature's power and vanishing without a trace. The Nazca Lines mirror sky, belief, and perspective. The sailing stones reveal subtle physics, ice, water, wind, while Costa Rica's spheres honor brilliant skill and unknown purpose. As we learn, some mysteries shrink, others deepen. Science tests ideas, yet not every answer is final or simple, and that is for the best. Our world's unread chapters keep us humble and curious. They fuel imagination and drive discovery. Which of these mysterious places do you find the most fascinating? If you enjoy exploring the world's greatest mysteries, subscribe for more videos uncovering the unexplained.